grace of Gurunatha and Guru Vairappan, we are very blessed to learn Narayaniam. This is Friday evening in US and Saturday morning in India. We are studying Canto 29 today. Last time we have seen the Lakshmi Swayamvara, Kurma Avatara and Lakshmi Swayamvara, and then when all the beautiful things came out of the churning of the ocean, then Mahalakshmi herself comes out. So she's called the daughter of Samudra Maharaja. And after that, Lakshmi and Narayana, Lakshmi garlands Narayana, and Narayana keeps her in his Vakshasthala always. And then Dhanvantari Bhagavan emerged holding the pot of Amridam in a beautiful golden kalash, holding the pot of Amrit, our Dhanvantari. Bhagavan himself, Narayana, came as Dhanvantari. Very handsome man, with broad shoulders and long arms and broad chest. With beautiful smiling face, he emerged from the ocean holding the pot of Amrita. Then what happened? Udgachatastava karat amridam haratsu दैत्येषु तान् अशरणान् अनुनीय देवान् सद्यस्थिरोददिद देव भवत्प्रभावात् उद्यत्स्वयुध्यकलहादितिजा बभूवुः उद्गच्छतस्तव करात् अमृतं हरत्सु दैत्येषु तान् अशरणान् अनुनीय देवान् सद्यस्थिरोददिद देव भवत्प्रभावात् उद्यत्स्वयूथ्यकलः दिदिजा बभूवुः तव karat amridam haratsu. Bhagavan is emerging from the ocean holding the pot of nectar, and suddenly the asuras came and snatched. Karat amridam haratsu. Suddenly the asuras came and snatched the nectar. Daityeshu, then the devas were just looking. They didn't realize it was too fast. Daityeshu tan asharanan anuniya devan. Then Devas did not know what to do. Suddenly, Bhagavan disappeared. Sadyasthiro Bhagavan disappeared. Dhanvantri Bhagavan disappeared. Bhavat Prabhavade Udyat Swayutya Kalaha Didija Babu. By Bhagavan's prompting now, the Asuras have pot of Amrita, but now they don't know how to divide among themselves, and they started quarreling. Udyat Swayutya Kalaha Didija Babu. Then Bhagavan's prompting. Asura, they don't know how to divide correctly and share. Everybody says, it's me, I will go first. The first person who drinks will become immortal, then you may kill the other person, because there is no unity when they are asuras. Right? So they all want to grab the nectar first, okay, and then one will finish or what. Like that they are quarreling. So it was Bhagavan's plan. So then Bhagavan has disappeared. Then suddenly Bhagavan now came as a Shyama Mruchapi Vayasapi Tanum Tadani. Beautiful young lady, beautiful lady. Bhagavan has come, is beautiful and youthful. Shyama Mruchapi Vayasapi Tanum Tadani Raptosi Tunga Kuchamandala Bhanguram Tvam Piyusha Kumbhakalaham Parimuchya Sarve Trishnakulas Pratiyayustvadurocha Kumbhe. Beautiful Bhagavan emerged as a beautiful woman with lovely complexion and very young. Tanum Tadanim Praptosi. Suddenly beautiful woman appeared out of nowhere. Tunga Kuchamandala Bhanguram. Such a beautiful Shariram figure she has. The Asuras are stunned to look at her. And now Asuras stopped the fight of the pot, nectar, and they all went behind her. Piyusha Kumbha Kalaham Parimuchya Sarve. They left the fighting. Trishna Kula Pradiyayustvaduroja Kumbhe. They are all going and trying to get her attention. That she is so beautiful. Mohipar. Bhagavan is called, that's why he is called Mohini. Means he will infatuate the Asuras. So all of them now went to see the lovely lady. Then they are asking, who are you? Who are you? Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudham imamidi arudha raga vivashan abhiyachatu moon vishwasya demai katham kulatasmi daityaha ityalapannapi suvishwasita natani. Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudhamimamidi आरूढराग विवशान अभियाचतो मून् विश्वस्य देमै कथं कुलटास्मि दैत्याः इत्यालपन्नपि सुविश्वसिता नतानीः. Vibhajasva Sudham, will you divide the nectar between us? Will you do it? You're so beautiful and can you help us? Sudhamimamidi Arudha Raga Vivashan Abhiya. Raga Vivashan. You are overcome with passion and infatuation because Bhagavan Mohini, Mohi Pikara. Moha means forgetting what is the real and just got so absorbed in something that I cannot have. Like that Moham. Arudha Raga Vivashan Abhiyachato Moon. They are begging her. Suddenly she just got them in, in her fingertips now. Vishwasya demai katham. She's asking, are you sure? How can you trust me? Vishwasya demai katham. Kulata, I'm called Kulata, I'm not faithful to one person. I will go anywhere. Do you know me? Kulata asmi daitya. Bhagavan Tanniya Chollikira. He tells about himself like that. I'm not so good, don't trust me. Apdi Cholli, he got their trust. Kulata asmi daityaha ityalapannapi suvishvasitan. The way he said it, they now fully trust him. Sometimes you have to say it ulta way, then the other party will trust us. Like that, suvishvasitan atani. Totally they trust the lady and they say, yes, you only give. Ityalapannapi suvishvasitan atani. Vishwasam padtara, right? By saying like that. Then मोदात्सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुष्टेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा पङ्क्तिप्रभेद विनिवेशित देवदैत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदा सुधां ताम् मोदात्सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुष्टेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा पङ्क्तिप्रभेद विनिवेशित देवदैत्या इत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदा सुधां ताम्. When they all gave the nectar pot to Amma Mohini, and very happily they gave, because they're totally taken over by her beauty, by her talking, everything. Then she's even going one step further. She says, please don't mind me. I may not do things like you may imagine. Dushteshtidam. I may do some lafda here and there. Please don't mind. Adu, okay, whatever you do. Yes. No? Dushteshtidam mama sahadvam iti bruvana. So smart of a Guruvarpan, He knows which person to handle which way. Asuras, he will talk like this. Next chapter, you're going to see Mahabali and Vaman Avatar. And Mahabali is coming to his Yagashala and he's going to ask for Dhanam. Before that, he will praise the Asura line so much. He will say, you Asuras, your ancestors are all wonderful and Asuras have achieved so much in this and all, he will tell. Like that, the people will be blown away. Sometimes to extract work, you have to talk in different way to different people based on their personality. This is how you get the work done. So now Bhagavan is telling, Dushtiyashtidam mama sahadvam. You have to bear all my, mistakes. Whatever I do, you have to bear it and not say anything. They said, okay, you go. Then Bhagavan made them sit in two separate rows. Pankti Prabheda, one row is full Asuras, one row is full Devas. Pankti Prabheda, Viniveshita Deva Daitya. Then beautiful walking like a swan gliding between them, is starting to serve the Amrita on the banana leaf. So, Leela Vilasa Gatibi, Leela Vilasa Gatibi. He is walking with such beauty and grace. And then Samada Sudamtam, he started distributing the nectar. Then the way he distributed, the Asuras were thinking, no, she really likes us like that. So, Asma Suyam Pranayanitya Sureshu Teshu जोषं स्थितेश्वर समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुम् अर्धपरिपीडसुधं व्यलावीः अस्मास्वयं प्रणयिनीत्य सुरेषु तेषु प्रणयिनी इति असुरेषु तेषु अस्मास्वयं प्रणयिनीत्य सुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेश्वर समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुम् अर्धपरिपीडसुधं व्यलावीः. The asuras are one side and devas are one side, and Bhagavan Mohini walks, puts one spoon for devas. Then she comes here, and as though putting one, she never puts. She just shows the hand and goes away to other one. Again puts there. Then she comes here, just shows not put. Again she goes over there. Again she comes this way. She just tricked them all the way, but they don't know she really likes us. They will not do like that. Like that, the asuras are thinking, Asmasiyam Pranayini Tyasureshu. No, she loves us. She's surely going to give us. I'm sure there is more left. Like that, asuras are waiting with mouth open. Then, Josham Stiteshwada Samapya Sudham Sureshu. Bhagavan finished all the Amrita for the Devas. Then, why Tam Bhakta Loga Vashago? Bhakta Kata Ennavana Panna. Just the Bhakta who does Krishna, I don't know anyone. I surrender to you, please help me. They are called the Bhakta. That is what Devas do. They surrender to Bhagavan. Asuras will grab it and try to have. Deva don't do that. They say, please Krishna, please help us. Like that. They are called the Bhaktas, Bhakta Loka Vashago. Therefore, Guruvayurpan gave it to all his Bhaktas. Nijarupametya Swarbhanum, but the Asura Rahu, the Asura line, he instead of being in the Asura line, he has gone to the Deva line, Rahu. And he is sitting right between the sun and the moon Devas. Sun and moon are all Devatas, right? So sun Devata on one side, Rahu, moon Devata on one side, another side. Rahu has nicely snuck in there. And when Bhagavan, by mistake, since he's in the Deva line, something Amridam fell in his plate and he drank, and then Bhagavan suddenly realized, oops, then he hit him on the head. Bhagavan took his real form and then he hit him on the head, in the Rahu. But the Rahu did not die because now he has drunk Amrita. He has drunk, but Bhagavan has hit him. Then what happens? Tatta Sudha Harana Yogya Phalam Pareshu. So Rahu does not die. So he is angry with the sun and the moon now. And Rahu had to spit out the Amrita, but then something was still there. So when he spit out and it comes on the Bhumi, all the places where that has fallen, there the plants like onions and garlic are growing. So onions and garlic have actually medicinal property, but they are tamasic by nature because they came from asuras. So Rahu has spit it, no? That only comes as onion garlic, so we do not use in Bhagavan's cooking. Now sun and moon, he want to punish them, so he does the Surya eclipse. He does the Surya Grahana, Chandra Grahana. That's why we see the eclipse every few months, right? So this is all part of Rahu. He's an evil planet. So Bhagavan punished Rahu, but he's because of Amrit he is there. Now the Asuras understood the trick that they have been tricked, and now they started war with the Devas. त्वत्तस्तुदाहरणयोग्यफलं परेषु दत्त्वा गदे त्वयि सुरे खलु दिव्य गृह्णन् घोरेदमूर्च्छदिरणे बलिदैत्यमायाव्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिहा विरासीः त्वत्त सुधाहरणयोग्यफलं परेषु दत्त्वा गते त्वयि सुरे खलु दिव्य गृह्णन् घोरेदमूर्च्छदिरणे बलिदैत्यमाया व्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिहा विरासीः. Bhagavan punished the asuras for snatching away the nectar. Then Gate Tvai Surai Khalu Devya Grinna. Now the Devas got mad and then they started fighting. Then Go read the Murchadirane, very big war. No, 2 chapters in Bhagavatam is the war. Go read the Murchadirane, Balidaityamaya Vyamohide. Bali, Mahabali is here mentioned. Mahabali, he has done so many Maya tricks, illusion, warfare, and now the Devas are really weak and they are not able to keep up. Again, Bhagavan appears before the Devas. Every time Bhagavan appears and saves them. So, Vyamohide Suragane Tvamiha Virasi. Again, Devas are calling Narayana. Every time they have problem, but they call Narayana, and Bhagavan keeps coming to help. Vyamohide Suragane Tvamiha Virasi. Now, these are all the big asuras are fighting. Tvam Kala Nemi Matha Mali Mukhan Jaganda. शक्रो जगान बलि जंबवलान सपाकान शुष्कार्द्र दुष्करवधे नमुचौचलूने फेनेन नारदगिरा निरुणोरणं त्वम्. He appeared and helped them in the fight. Then Bhagavan killed Kalanemi. This Kalanemi is going to be reborn as Kamsa. Kalanemi is dying in fear. And Bhagavan finally hit the blow and killed him, and he's looking at Bhagavan and full of fear he died. Then he's born and reborn in Krishna Avadara as Kamsa, who has fear as the predominant quality, fear. So, Tvam Kala Nemi Mathamali Mukanja Ganda Mali and other important asuras are killed again by Bhagavan. Shushkardra Dushkaravade. Indra also killed many asuras. Shakro Jagana Bali Jamba Vali, like this asuras are there. All of them were killed, but the Guru Shukracharya is able to revive them. That you will see in next chapter. So even many asuras were killed, but then they will be revived. That you will see later. But now here, Shushkardra Dushkaravade, one asura is called Namuchi. He's got a boon from Bhagavan saying he cannot be killed by a weapon which is solid or wet. Shushkarda Dushkaravade Namuchau Chalune. It could not be solid or liquid or like that. A weapon should not kill him. A weapon which is solid, of course, it will be solid, or a liquid, it cannot kill him. Then Bhagavan finds a way to kill him by a weapon made of penena, by a weapon made of foam. Everything Bhagavan will have a way. The asuras think with their buddhi that they are very smart and try to cover all aspects. But some loophole Bhagavan will find and penetrate and kill them. Ipridana. So, penena, he was killed by a weapon made of foam. Shushkadra Dushkaravadena Muchauchalune Penena. Then Narada says, enough now. Please stop the battle. So they all stopped the battle because of the words of Narada. Narada Gira Yaruno Ranam Tvam. Now they stopped the war. Then war is over. Asura Deva went back to their place. Now Yosha Vapurdanujamohanamahitam te Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshaha. Lord Shiva got heard the story about this Amrita Mathanam and Bhagavan's Mohini avatar. Then he wants to see Bhudai Samam Girijaya Chagadapadam te Sutva Bravit Abhimadam Tvamado Tirodaha. Yosha Vapurdanujamohanamahitam te Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshah Bhudai Samam Girijaya Chagadapadam te Sutva Bravid Abhimadam Tvamatho Tirodaha. Now Lord Shiva is always there in all avatara of some of Bhagavan in some form or another. So in this he heard about this avatara and he wants to understand. Sri Hari, he took female form. Yosha Vapu, he took the form of a woman also. Ella avatara Shiva has seen. This one is new. And so Dhanuja Mohanam, this form of Sri Hari as a woman has deluded the Asura so much, and Shiva wants to understand. So he heard about it. Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Mahesha, hearing it, Shiva was eager to see Bhagavan. So he came to Vaikuntha Loka with all his Bhutaganas and Parvati Mata. Udai samam girijaya chagadapadam te stutva bravid. And then he made a prayer to Guru Vairappan and says, please, bless me that I want to see you, get your darshan as the Mohini avatar. Please, can you bless me? Our Bhagavan is smiling. So, Sutva Bravid Abhimadam Tvamado Tirodaha. Then what happened? Bhagavan just smiled. Then, next sloka, Shiva is back in his Kailasa, and then there is a beautiful garden. Aramasi Manicha Kanzugaghata Leela Lola Yamananena Kamani Manojna Swamesha Viksha Vigalat Vasana Manobo Vega Danangari Puranga Samalilinga. See? Aramasi Manicha Kandugaghata Leela लोलायमाननयनां कमनीं मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष विगलत्वसना मनोभूवेगादनङ्गरिपुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्ग. Waiting for the day, and that day came. So in a beautiful garden, suddenly Shiva is in a garden where he sees a beautiful woman, Guru Vairappan, and she's playing with the Kanduka Gatha Leela. She's playing ball and nicely playing and hitting the ball and walking here and there with her eyes moving about. Lola Yamana Naina, eyes are moving this way, that way, and her body is moving very gracefully and as though her pallu is about to slip, like that, with beautiful gentle movements. Kamani Manojna, a very captivating form of a beautiful woman. And Lord Shiva, he saw this Vigalat Vasana Manobu, seeing the lovely woman with her beautiful gestures and the lovely clothes, which are about to slip away like that of a completely Manobu Vega. He became fully deluded, completely Mohipichuta, Bhagavan. He made him deluded completely. That Shiva who is Anangaripu, he conquered Kamadeva and he burnt him, right? That Shiva who has burnt Kamadeva. Remember Kamadeva? The 5 banas he has, Madan, Shoshan, Stamban and all those, right? Kamadeva who attacks everyone by making them infatuated in some object and then they completely lose it, right? Step by step they will get the Indriyas will see it, then the mind will want it, then the Buddhi will say yes, correct, it's good for us, then the Chitta will make a decision, I'm going to get it, and then complete destruction happens. Like that Kamadeva works. Now Shiva who has burnt him when he did try to upset his tapas, that Shiva, he is completely deluded by Guruvayurappan's beauty. Anangaripuranga. So Bhagavan's glories are limitless. You cannot say Shiva Brahmajnani, right? Nothing can make him, disturbed. Like that we'll think, right? So and so is Brahmajnani, they cannot be disturbed, they are done. But then Guruvayurappan will play some leela to, kind of sometimes just play with them like this. Now Shiva want to see the beautiful Mohini. Shiva ran after her and Alinganam Pandra Tamalilinga. Shiva lost control of himself. And then he went after her and she is running away. She was following her and became so infatuated by her. And Bhuyo Vividrudavadi Mupadavya Devo Vidya Pramoksha Vikasat Paramartha Buddha Tvanmanitastava Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai Tattadrishastvamava Vatanikedhanada भूयो मे विद्रुतवदीमुपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्षविकसत् परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमववातनिकेतनाथ. And then he went behind, and then the union happened between Shiva and Narayana. And then only Shiva realized. Virya Pramoksha, after the Viryam has escaped from Shiva, then he realized. Paramartha Bodha, Hare, kya ho gaya? Then Shiva got. So for a moment, even a jnani will lose it when Guruvayurappan can play Leela like that. So, because of Paramartha Bodha, then Shiva understood. So the Viryam of Shiva is falling on different places on earth. And where they fell, only gems and beautiful minerals like gold and silver and copper and many rare minerals have come about on the earth because of this union. And then afterwards, Ayyappa Swami is born. So we say Swami Sharanam Ayyappa. He is the Harihara Putra Ayyappa. So then Lord Shiva is stunned. Sri Hari's Leela are endless, no? That's why we say Hari Anant, Hari Katha Ananta. So then Shiva is telling Tvanmanitastava Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai. Guruvayurappan is praising Lord Shiva, and then Shiva goes home back to Parvati Mata and then narrates all this. Krishna, what Leela you play, Krishna? Even the jnanis are confounded by your Leelas. You cannot say it's this is the limit of Guruvayurappan's Leela. I got attained jnana. அதுக்கு மேல இருக்கு, ஞானத்துக்கு மேல. They will say when they did the Amrita Mathanam, it was the Kshira Sagara. Oh, that Sagara was churned, and then all bad things came out. No, Vish came out first, and then other things came out. Then Mahalakshmi came out, and then Amritam came out. Amritam. Now imagine if that Amritam is a Samudram. Amrita Samudrata Kadanja, what will come? Radhe. That is Radha Devi. That is the level where Radha exists, deep there. That's called the Prema, pure Mahabhava Prema, Radhe. Amrita Samudrata Kadanja, and the Jnanathukku mela one level is there. Attaining Jnana is only, even after that, there is Prema level. So, Bhagavan teaches in different ways. So now, Shiva had to play that Leela. Guruvayurappan played the Leela with Shiva, and then Ayyappa Swami was born. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. We'll see some Vamana Avatara now. Yadihatopi Balir Mahatma Shukrena Jivitatanu Kratuvardhitoshma Vikrandiman Bhayanilina Suram Trilokim Chakre Vashe Satava Chakramugad Abhitaha. Jambumali and all those asuras. But then Shukracharya has a magic mantra and he revives all of them. Bali Shukrena Jivita Tanu. Shukracharya is the guru of the asuras. and he chants the mantra and is able to revive all the dead people. All the asura came back in more strength now. And then Mahabali is back. And now he has performed a great Vishwajit Yajna. Kraduvartitoshma, he performed a grand Yajna. And then he got more boons from his guru. And now he has the beautiful umbrella, beautiful chariot. And then he has so much strength now that he made the devas run away in fear. Bhaya Nilina Sudam Trilokim, the devas could not keep heaven. Bali has conquered heaven now. So, Vikradiman Bhaya Nilina Sudam Trilokim Chakreva Shesatava, he took over the heaven of Indra. And the asuras have to, devas have to run away in fear. Sometime Bhagavan will give chance to the asuras. So yes, he is very impartial only, Guruvayurappan. Sometimes you see asuras are in full form, like right now Kali is very prominent. Hiranyakashipu was ruling for 74 Chaturyugas. Like that, Bhagavan will give them chance. Like that now Mahabali, Asura has become very powerful now, and Indra and Devas are driven away from heaven. Chakrevashe Satava Chakramugad Avhitaha. Then Aditi Mata is very sad to see her son's plight. So Putra Tidarshanavashat Aditi Vishanda Tam Kashyapam Nijapadim Sharanam Prapanna Tat Pujanam Tat Uditam Hi Payovratakyam Sa Dvadashaham Acharat Tvai Bhakti Purna पुत्रार्तिदर्शनवशात् अदितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपदिं शरणं प्रपन्ना तत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोव्रताख्यं सा द्वादशाहमचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा. Aditi Mata is seeing the bad state of her sons. She is feeling very sad. Then Kashyapa comes to the ashram and it's very dull today. Aditi Mata is crying. Tam Kashyapam Nijapadim Sharanam Prapanna Tat Pujanam Taduditam. Kashyapa is telling her to perform vrata for Guruvayurappan. It is called Payovrata. Payovratakyam, it is performed for 12 days. She will take early bath early morning and then do the puja and then serve the brahmanas, and then she will only take milk those 12 days, and then she will give lot of dhanam. Like this, she performed puja for 12 days with full bhakti purna, with full devotion. Then what happened? Tasya vadao tvai nilinamadir amushyaha Shamaschaturbujabapu swayamavirasihi Namram chatamiha bhavattanyo bhaveyam Gopyam marikshanamidi pralapannayasihi. From Payovrata for 12 days with deep devotion, Bhagavan appeared. Sri Harinarayana appeared in front of her with beautiful forearms and beautiful blue complexion, standing in front of her with a smile. And she was doing dhyanam of Bhagavan in her heart, and then Bhagavan appears, and then she did pranam to Bhagavan. Shamas Chaturbhujavapu Swayama Virasi Namram Chatamiha Bhavattaniyo Bhaveyam. Bhagavan is telling, I myself will be born as your son. Gopyam, however, do not go announce it to everyone. Keep it secret. Gopyam mad ikshanamidi pralapannayasihi. And Bhagavan blessed her and disappeared. After that, Bhagavan was born for Aditi and Kashyapa. Tvam Kashyape tapasi sannidadattadani praptosi garbham adite pranudo vidhatra prasuta cha prakata vaishnava divya rupam sa dvadashi shravana punyadine bhavandam. Tadattadani. After that, from Kashyapa, Bhagavan entered Aditi. Garbhamadite, Pranudo Vidatra, and all the gods are praising Bhagavan. Brahmaji is praising him, and then Bhagavan, Vamana Bhagavan appears. Prasuta cha Prakata Vaishnava Divya Rupam, small Bhagavan, dwarf form, but so beautiful and saturated beauty. Like milk will be condensed and made reduced, that much potent that milk will be after it's condensed, no? Like that. Bhagavan is so beautiful and condensed. Sandra Ananda Vabodhatmakam Andra. Concentrated Ananda, concentrated beauty of Bhagavan in the Vamana Rupa. Prakada Vaishnava Divya Rupam Sa Dvadashi Shravana Vamana Bhagavan ki Jai. Dvadashila Shravana Nakshatra Tiruvonam Nakshatrathila Bhagavan is born as Vamana Avatar. Ta Dvadashi Shravana Punya Dine Bhavandam. No, the ashram is so beautiful. Suddenly, as beautiful Vaman Bhagavan has appeared. And all the gods have gathered there, and they are all showering flowers. Punyashramam tamabhivarshadi pushpavarshaihi harshakule suragane kritatudya ghoshe padvanjalim jaya jayedi nutapitrabhyam tvam takchane patutamam vadurupamadaha. पुण्याश्रमं ताभिवर्षदि पुष्पवर्षैः हर्षाकुले सुरगणे कृततूर्यघोषे पद्वाञ्जलिं जय जयेति नुतः पितृभ्यां त्वं तत्क्षणे पटुतमं पडुरूपमादातमभिवर्षदि पुष्पवर्षैः हर्षाकुले. The devas are full of ananda because Bhagavan is going to help them. So every time the bhaktas are in trouble, Bhagavan comes in different forms. Again, this avatara is for devas. So, Harsha, Kule, Suragane, Krita, Turya, Ghoshe, all are playing the horn and the trumpets and celebrating Utsav, Bhagavan's birth. Utsav, Vaman Bhagavan's birth. And they are saying the prayers and then Jai Ho, Vaman Bhagavan ki Jai Ho, like that. Badva Anjalim, Jaya Jayeti. And the parents are doing pranam to the sun. Jaya Jayeti Nuta Pitrabhyam Tam Takchani Patutamam Padurupam. That instant only Bhagavan became a brahmachari, very talented, smart, young brahmachari Rupam Bhagavan assumes. Patutamam Vadurupamada. Then all the gods come and offer something to Bhagavan. What did they all give? Tavat Prajapati Mugairupaniyam Maunji Dandajinachavalayadivirachyamanaha Dedipyamanavapurisha Kritaktikadyaha Tvam Prastita Baligriham Prakrutashvamedham Tavat Prajapati Mukhaihi Upaniya Maunji Dandajinachavalayadivirachyamanaha देदीप्यमानवपुरीशकृताग्निकाद्यः त्वं प्रास्थिता बलिगृहं प्रकृताश्वमेधं. Kashyapa and others all gave Bhagavan something or another. So they gave beautiful vastram, some gave the umbrella, some gave the upanayana pandratha, and the maunji, then the dandam and the deer skin to cover himself, and then the akshamala and all the patram gave. Annapurneshwari Mata came and gave Diksha Patra. And taking all this, Bhagavan is going towards, he performed first the Agni Karyam, Krita Agni Karyaha. He finished the work of rituals for the brahmachari, and then he starts going to the Ashwamedha Yaga performed by Mahabali. Tvam Prastida Baligriham Prakrita Ashwamedham. Mahabali is performing grand Ashwamedha Yaga in the banks of Narmada river. So Bhagavan goes there as a brahmachari. Now the Mahabali is the king of heaven, not Indra. Indra and Devas are all in poverty now. So Bhagavan's vele now is to transfer the wealth to this side. So Bhagavan is going as a brahmachari. He is going to ask for dhanam. गात्रेण भावि महिमोचित गौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वदेव धरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरणार्थमिव ददानो दण्डं च दानवजने शिव सन्निधातुम्. Vamana is so small only, but he is so powerful and talented and beautiful. And as he is walking, you will see the dandam in one hand and umbrella in the other, and also the kamandala, and also the Akshay Patra, everything. He's going like that, but the umbrella and the dandam are there. This is how they'll show the picture of Vamana Bhagavan. This very small Vamana Bhagavan they will show in the Navratri Vigraha and all. You see, he's holding the umbrella and the dandam. And as he is walking, the Mother Earth is shaking as though to give hint on what is going to happen very soon. So, Dharanim Chalayan Nayasi, the earth is shaking with little Vamana walking on her. Then to show what is coming next. So, like this, he's walking. Chatrampa, he's holding the umbrella, as though like it is a protection from all the wicked asuras. Chatram Paroshmatiranathamiva Dano Dandam Chadanava, and the Danda is as though to punish the asuras. Dandam Chadanava Jane Shiva Sannidhatum. Like this, quietly Vaman Bhagavan starts walking. Then he comes to the Narmadottara Tate. तां नर्मदोत्तरतटे हयमेधशालाम् आस्ये दुषित्वैरुचा तव रुद्धनेत्रैः भास्वान् किमेष दहनोऽनु सनत्कुमारो योगेनुपोयमिति शुक्रमुखैः शशङ्के. To the Narmada Tata in the northern bank, and where Mahabali is performing yaga. And then, as when he reached there, Ase Dushti Tvai Rucha Amma, the brilliance of Bhagavan, as though a light is shining inside him. The light is, he's just reflecting light. He's self-effulgent, Chulwale, Atma is self-effulgent. Like that, a light is shining. When he's walking and he's reached there, Sri Hari and Vaman Bhagavan has a light around. And the whole place is lit by the brilliance. They are all, eyes are dazzling, they are not able to see fully. Who is this? Who is this? That light is shining. Then they are saying, is it Surya Bhagavan? Bhaswan Kimesha, is it Surya? Or is it Dahanono? Is it Agni Bhagavan? How brilliant is it? How much tejas he has? Is it the Sanat Kumara yogis? Sanat is so chota na, so maybe he is Sanat Kumara. Like that they are telling, who is this? Koyam, who is this? Shukracharya could not identify. Nobody could understand who this is. Koyamidi Shukramukai Shashanke. That Shukracharya was able to revive all the dead people. Even he could not understand. What is this trick? Who is this? Never seen such brilliance before. Then Anidamashu Brigubir Mahasa Bibudaihi Twam Ramya Murupam Asura Pulakavritangaha Bhaktya Sametya Sukriti Parinijya Padau Tattoyam Anvadrida Murdhani Tirtha Tirtham. This shloka is very beautiful. Anidamashu Brigubir Mahasa Bibudaihi Twam Ramya Rupam Asura Pulakavritangaha Bhaktya Sametya Sukriti Parinijya Padau Tattoyam Anvadrada Murdhani Tirtha Tirtham. See the beauty of Vaman Bhagavan. Beautiful. Somebody want to hug him, somebody want to bow down to him. No, different people feel like awe and respect for him like that. So Shukracharya and others are welcoming Vaman Bhagavan. They are overwhelmed by the beauty. Mahasa Vibhutaihi. The charming form. Who is this? Any avatar of Narayana will be looking so beautiful. Even Varahaswami or Kurma Avatara or Chota Vamana, all forms such beauty will be there of Guru Arpan. So, Swam Ramya Rupam. Now Mahabali, Asura Pulakavritanga. This bhakti he got. Asura got Pulakangitam. Bhakti Lakshanam he is getting. Harsham, he's getting Anandam and Pulakangidam. The hair is standing on end for him. This Mahabali, Sukriti Chulra, is such a blessed person who has so much bhagyam, noble deeds he has done. Sukriti. Why? He's Prahlada's grandson. See? Prahlada or family Parandrakalya, that Mahabali. So, Mahabali is Bhagyavan, he is Sukriti. And he welcomes his Vamana Bhagavan and he makes him gives him asana, and then he washes the lotus feet of that lovely Vamana, and that water, Tirtham, that water which will purify the Tirtha Stalas, it's the holiest of the holy water. Holy water will purify us, but what will purify holy water when after we all dump our sins there? The Tirtha of Narayana's Charana. So, on the direct Narayana Charana Tirtha, he got Padodakam of Narayana and is sprinkled on his head. So, Tattoyam Anvadrida Murthani Tirtha Tirtham. It's called the Tirtha Tirtham. Now, from here you will see transformation of Mahabali. He didn't know what will happen to him. He himself does not know. That's how he'll be transformed by Tirtha Tala Prochichanda. Right? So, Prahlada Vamsha Jadaya, how is the Mahabali so blessed, Guruvarappa? Bhattadri is asking. This Mahabali, how did he get so much blessing of getting your Tirtha Father Tirtha directly? How is he so blessed? Then, is it because he is born in Prahlada Vamsha Jadaya? Or is it because he performed many yagas? Kratubir Dvijeshu Vishwasado. He performed many yagas, or is it because he has so much respect for Brahmanas? See, this Asura only, but he's good Asura. Asura, everything need not be bad, because Prahlada was one different Asura, right? Bhagavan can make a Bhakta in Asura family also. Bhagavan can do Asura in a Bhakta family also. Guruvarpan Leela endless. Like that, this Mahabali, he's come from Prahlada line. Prahlada's son Virochana is not so only. His story not much. But his son Mahabali's Avanikvendur Avataram. Right? So, and only in this Avatara there is no Nigraha. In all Avatara there will be Adi, Badam, right? Killing. Only this Avatara there is no Vadam, no killing. So, here Bhagavan operates different way, because his Prahlada is promised 21 generation, nobody will be killed. They are all in my protection, Chonnarliya Bhagavan, so he will not kill. So this Mahabali, he has that bhakti or shakti anugraham irukku. So he has become the Raja of heaven now, because of the blessing, not by just grabbing, but also he has blessing. So he has done yagas, he has worshipped holy men, Brahmanas. Then he is born in Prahlada's line. Because of all this, Mahabali is a tough enemy. Devas could not win him. Normally, bad guy, you can just say, Bhagavan, bad guy, please kill. This bad, how can he kill him? Good bad guy. He's good, but he's also bad, because he took away theirs. So, this he cannot, Bhagavan will not kill here. So, they are even Bhattadri is telling, how come this Mahabali is so fortunate? Prahlada Vamshajataya Kradubit Dvijeshu Vishwasadu Nutadidam Didi Jopilebhe Yatte Padambu Girishasya Shirobilalyam Satvam Vibho Gurupuralaya Palayedaha. Get this much bhagyam, that holy water from Bhagavan's charanam, which even Lord Shiva holds on his head. Girishasya Shiro Bilalyam. The Bhagirathi Prayatnathila, Ganga Mata came from the heavens to the earth. How many chapters in Ramayana you will see for bringing Mother Ganga to earth. And then when that Ganga came down with so much force, the earth could not bear it. Then Lord Shiva had to take her on his head first and then let it out. That Gangai, which Lord Shiva holds on his head, and the Pal Tirtham, how come this Mahabali got so easily? Is it because he has such blessing how he has, right? Girishasya Shiro Bilalyam Satvam Vibo He Guruvarpa. What a beautiful katha today. Thank you, please protect me. Palayamam. Palayeta Satvam Vibo Gurukuralaya. Palayeta Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandranandavabodatmagamανupamidam कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे अन्धभाग्यं जनानां श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः